Hi there, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and learn how to make a histogram. We're going to use this data here to put in a histogram in this video. To start, I'm going to put this data into a frequency table. I began the frequency table by making intervals of 10. I chose intervals of 10 because we started with single-digit numbers and went clear to the 60s, so 10 seemed pretty logical. It seemed manageable. I'm going to go ahead and count how many are in each interval. There's 1, 2, 3 in the first interval, 1, 2 in the second interval, 1, 2 in the third interval, 1, 2 in the fourth interval, just 1 in the fifth interval, 1, 2 in the sixth, and 1 in the seventh. Sometimes I like to put actual numbers in my frequency table for those values. It makes it a little bit easier to work with. So now for my histogram, which is essentially just a squished bar chart, I'm going to go ahead and make my chart and just call this a histogram. It's always good to put a title. I'll label the left frequency, and these are my X values. I didn't have any specific type of data I was gathering, they were just numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and just put X values. If it were specific data like shoe sizes or heights, you could label that appropriately here. My frequency goes up to 3, so I really only need 3 marks here, and I had 6 intervals, so my intervals go there. Now, it's important to label your x-axis appropriately. Each value, each bar I should say, has a low and a high number. The low number is the starting value, and the high number is one after the last number or the starting value of the next list. So on my first one I'll go 0 to 10, knowing and understanding that 10 is not included in my first bar, but 10 is the low value of my second bar. And I can go ahead and fill in based off of my data here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on the fifth one. 6. And there were 7 values here. I think I said 6 earlier. I miscounted. There's our 7th value. Okay, now I know that these are the left is the low and the right is the one above the high, so I'm just going to go ahead and put all the left values, all the low values, as my values here. And that's how we make a histogram. Thanks for watching.